Ever implemented cube mapping which resulted in reflections that look way too shiny and fake? The basic math is simple. Reflect the view vector over the normal vector and sample your cube map. But to make it look realistic, we can blur the reflection with the one-line trick. Use texture LOD instead of the standard texture function. Passing a higher mipmap level as the third parameter instantly gives you a beautifully blurred texture. If you try this and it doesn't work, your texture is likely missing its mipmap chain. Here's how to fix it in OpenGL. First, set the minification filter to GL linear mipmap linear. This provides the smoothest transition between mipmap levels when the camera moves closer or away from the object. Next, calculate the total number of mipmap levels. Take the base 2 log of the largest dimension, round it down, and add 1 to include the original image. For OpenGL, we also need to set the texture parameter GL texture max level to the original result without the extra 1. This is because the counting starts at 0. We can now allocate memory for the texture and its mipmaps by calling GL texture storage 2D and passing in the number of mipmaps in the second parameter. Finally, we call GL generate texture mipmap and let the system generate all the mipmap levels for us. And there you have it, the one-line trick for blurring a cube map. This can easily be applied to other APIs beside OpenGL. Subscribe for more.